Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the original K1 or K1 Max touchscreen kit display cable, specifically the one designed for the K1 Max 3D printer. If you're a K1 Max owner, you know how crucial that display is for controlling and monitoring your prints. A faulty or damaged display cable can bring your printing to a halt, which is incredibly frustrating. This particular cable is a direct replacement, boasting a 480 by 400 resolution, matching the original specifications of the K1 Max. This is important because using a cable with incorrect specifications could lead to display issues or even damage your printer. The fact that it's marketed as an original part is reassuring, suggesting it meets the same quality standards as the cable that came with your printer. Installation should be relatively straightforward, assuming you have some basic experience working with 3D printer components. However, always remember to power off and unplug your printer before attempting any repairs or replacements. It's also a good idea to take pictures or make notes of the existing cable's routing before disconnecting it, to ensure you install the new one correctly. While I haven't personally tested this specific cable, based on the description and the importance of using genuine replacement parts, this original K1 or K1 Max touchscreen kit display cable seems like a reliable option for K1 Max owners facing display issues. Getting a replacement cable like this one could be a lifesaver, getting your printer back up and running quickly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.